everyone! My name is June. Welcome to our channel. Today's story is about going to a farmer's market with my mother. We will learn new words, talk to vendors, and enjoy fresh food. So keep watching until the end. Good morning, Mom.
Good morning, June.
Is today the farmer's market day?
Yes, it is.
Really? Yay!
We'll go after breakfast.
Mom, are we driving?
We shall walk, as it is close by.
Can I help choose food today?
Of course you can.
I want to talk to the farmers.
They'll like that.
I'll wear my sneakers.
Good idea.
We'll walk a lot.
Yes, we will.
Do we need shopping bags?
Reusable bags, please.
I'll carry one.
Thank you.
I'm ready. Mom, the weather is nice.
Perfect for the market.
The sky is so blue.
A good day to walk.
I've got this one.
Thank you, sweetheart.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Mom, why do people like farmers markets?
Because food is fresh.
Fresher than stores?
Much fresher.
Because farmers bring it?
Exactly.
That's cool.
You meet the grower.
I like that.
Me too.
Wow, it's busy.
That means fresh food.
So many tents.
Each tent is a farm.
Really?
Yes.
I see vegetables.
Let's walk slowly.
Okay.
Take your time.
Good morning.
Good morning.
The tomatoes are shiny.
Picked this morning.
They're warm.
How much per pound?
$3 per pound.
2 pounds, please.
Good choice.
Here you go.
Red and yellow peppers.
Very colorful.
Sweet peppers today.
Are they spicy?
Not spicy.
Price per pound?
$5 per pound?
1 pound?
Yes.
It smells fresh here.
These are greens.
Organic lettuce.
What does organic mean?
Grown naturally.
Oh.
How much for one head?
$3.
1, please.
Thank you.
Carrots are my favorite.
I know.
Sweet and crunchy.
Can I feel them?
Yes.
Price per pound?
$2.
1 pound.
Good. cheese. I see it. Wanna taste?
Yes, please. It's creamy.
What kind is this? Aged cheddar.
I like it.
Half a pound. Great choice.
Mom, apples.
Yes, fresh apples.
These are Honeycrisp.
Are they sweet?
Very sweet and crunchy.
How much per pound?
$2 per pound.
Can we buy 2 pounds?
Good thinking.
Here you go.
Strawberries are so red.
They're in season now.
Picked early this morning.
They smell sweet.
How much for one box?
For dollars.
Can we get one?
Yes.
Mom, peaches.
They're perfect today.
Juicy and sweet.
They're soft.
Price per pound?
$3 per pound.
1 pound is enough.
Yes.
Great choice.
This smells so strong.
That's basil.
Smell the mint too.
Wow.
How much per bunch?
$2 each.
Basil and mint.
And cilantro.
Here you go.
Thank you. These look different.
They're mushrooms.
Grown indoors. Very fresh.
Are they safe?
Yes. Very safe.
How much per pound?
$4.
1 pound is okay.
Yes.
Milk in glass bottles?
From local cows.
Fresh this morning.
Is it cold?
Yes.
How much per bottle?
$5.
1 bottle is fine.
And butter too.
Here.
Yogurt.
Greek yogurt.
No sugar added.
Really?
How much?
$4 per jar.
Strawberry flavor?
Yes.
2 jars.
Flowers are pretty.
They make people happy.
Grown on my farm.
Can we buy 1 flower?
Yes.
Roses or sunflowers?
Sunflower!
Enjoy.
Mom, we bought a lot.
Yes, we did.
I helped choose.
You did great.
Farmers work very hard.
They really do.
I like talking to them.
Me too.
Can we come again?
Every weekend.
My arms are tired,
Mine too.
but I'm happy.
That's what matters.
Fresh food is special.
Yes, it is.
Thank you, Mom.
Always.
I love today.
If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Your support helps us create more stories. Thanks for watching. See you next time.